Hello and welcome to Theme and Code. This video is about the documentation of PDF Viewer for WordPress. But first of all, thank you for choosing the PDF Viewer for WordPress, which is the best-selling PDF Viewer for WordPress plugin with Flipbook. This plugin is created by Theme and Code, and you can get this plugin on CodeCanon. This plugin has over 7,000 users. You need to buy this plugin from CodeCanon. If you are a user of the free version PDF Viewer by Theme and Code, you can get the button of Get Premium in the plugins page. That button will redirect to this page of CodeCanon. Here there is a long and prepared documentation for you. I will put the link in the description so that you can find it anytime. This playlist will cover every single detail about PDF Viewer for WordPress. So hold tight and be with us, and we'll cover everything.